You did good today, little Mac. You did good. Real good. What's up, everybody? This is Classic Cars and Comics. On this series, we're going to be rebuilding a travel trailer that was built in 2007 by KZ. It is a Durango 325 SU. Okay, this is the power washer that I'm going to be using today. This is the Portland 1750 PSI pressure washer from Harbor Freight. That's about what I paid for it. Now, I would suggest that if you're going to buy this, buy the warranty as well. This has worked good for me for at least 2 years now, but a previous model that I had, it spit the bit probably after a year or so. So the warranty would have been nice, but I bought it on the second one, kept all my parts from the first one. But this has been a really good pressure washer for us. We've used it on vehicles and now the trailer. So let's take another quick look at the outside of the trailer. Now this video is sped up just a little bit so that we can get through it quicker, but the outside is very dirty. It's set for a while, set up under a tree, had water running down it at one time just so that it would stay cool during the summer, but it is quite dirty. Now, I have not washed all this side of the trailer yet, but I have washed the back and this whole other side. So you will see that in this video, but you can clearly see, even sped up, that this trailer is really dirty. Now, if you want to see slow-mo walk around of this, go back to the first video in this series and you can watch that. But this gives you an idea of just sort of how dirty and moldy it is. I'm gonna start right here in this area right here, and I will zoom in to see if we can get a little bit better view of that. So y'all can see the discoloration right here, so we'll start right there. I hope that's showing up. It's actually doing a really good job. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna mist some soap up there first. So this may be a little bit of a tedious process, but you can clearly see from the right of the bar how much wider that is now than to the left. So there's the areas that have not been power washed yet, to the area that clearly has. And this has not been sprayed yet either. And above the line has not been sprayed yet. So let's get back to it. Making progress. Just a slow process of making progress. Gonna start on the door here in a second. It's pretty dirty in this area, even though you can't really see it from because it's in the shade, but I gotta get rolling. And I'm gonna wait for the front part to show y'all that on video, but I need to get rolling on doing this because this is our main way we enter, obviously, because it's the only door. Just gives a whole new feeling to, you know, how clean it can be. So that's what I like. I'm gonna let you look right here, see how dirty that is. And I'm gonna just put some water on here real quick and then put some soap on. Pretty incredible. Come over here for a closer look. It's gonna look like a new trailer. You can really get a feel for how well this is doing. Couldn't be happier with this power washer for, you know, what I paid. So here's just a little brief overview of what I've done so far. Way cleaner, way nicer. I'm gonna show y'all one last little corner. I'm getting pretty tired. This is my first major work after surgery. So I'm gonna move over to this back corner over here, show y'all how nasty that is, and power wash it real quick. I might do the front today. I'm getting tired and the sun ain't hitting it right now. This camera's getting all wet. So this is the back side, and you can clearly see it's dirty too. So I'm gonna start power washing it, get it clean. Okay, it's time to get rocking and rolling on cleaning the front of this. I'm gonna start off by putting a little bit of water on there, then I'm gonna put a little soap and stuff on there just to let that soak. I'm gonna get around, do a couple things, and while that's soaking, or after it's soaked for a little bit, I'm gonna come back, start power washing. My phone overheated, so I'm gonna give y'all just the best I can right now the difference. Obviously you can tell the bottom half is clean and the top half is still dirty. So I'm gonna let this cool off a little bit more and try to do some more recording. So I don't know how long this is gonna record before it kicks off due to the heat, so I'm gonna get to rolling. Okay, you can see that all this L has been cleaned, and that's what's left that's dirty. So we're gonna hope for the best, hope for my camera not overheating, and wash the rest of this. Man, that looks good. Real good. So pretty. You did good today, little Mac. You did good. Real good.